Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add picture in Canva. So the first step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar type in canva.com. This is the homepage of the Canva website. Here on the top right corner you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose any of your desired template. Now here you can see different options. Click on the upload. Now click on upload file and choose your desired picture that you want to upload in Canva. After that click on open. After your upload is completed, you can simply drag this picture into this screen, and here you can see that this picture has been added in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.